Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is David with Side of Tech, and in today's video we're going to be looking at this awesome product by Orbitkey called the Orbitkey Nest. We're going to be talking about how this might be the most underrated product of 2021 and why you need it for your desk setup. And you guys already know what to do. Go ahead and like and subscribe. That way you can keep up with all my future tech videos. And also, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, where I post up photos and videos of everyday tech products that I use. And who knows, maybe you might find something you like. And without any further delay, let's check it out. Orbitkey is well known for their everyday carry products, just like this key organizer I have here. This is one product that Orbitkey offers, and now they've been getting into the desk setup game. The Nest is one of the newest products that they offer, and it's one of my favorites. This is the product that you want if you want to take your home office setup on the go. The top is of leather finish, so it's really nice to the touch, and also it has a wireless charger built in. That's really awesome. The wireless charger on here is 10 watts, so it's pretty fast for a little tiny product like this. And also the connection is not micro USB, it's USB-C. Thank you. The outer side of it is made out of a polycarbonate, so it's pretty sturdy, pretty rough. If you were to drop this thing, I highly doubt that any of the products inside will be damaged, just because it feels so hard and it feels so rigid. This thing doesn't even flex. I wonder what's inside here. I kind of forgot what I put. Whoa. All right, so in here I have my AirPods. I mean, this is self-explanatory. You always got to bring your AirPods everywhere. I have my memory cards. This is for my CF Express card, which is in my camera right now. And then I also have a regular SD card that I take with me. I also have my CF Express card reader in here. That way I can read off all my files into my iPad. You gotta have portable charging capabilities on the go. So I keep this battery charger by Anker. This is a 10,000 milliamp hour battery. It takes USB-C and a USB-A connection. So this has to come with me. And also I keep my cables in here. So my USB-C to USB-C cable. This cable I use for my CF Express card reader, and then that goes into my iPad, which is also USB-C. And also I have the cable that came with the organizer. So this is from Orbitkey, and this is just the USB-C cable made for the Nest. So you just plug it into the back here. So what's awesome is that I can take my wireless charger, I can plug it in, I can plug this into the Nest, and bam, I'm charging wirelessly. How awesome is that? You can also charge your AirPods on here, so just put them on there, charging. Pretty cool, huh? So the whole concept of this product is to take your home office on the go. So just imagine this. You're working at your desk, and let's say you're tired of staying at your desk, you want to go to a coffee shop, or let's say you need to go into the office. You have everything you need in here to just go and set everything back up again. So realistically, this is what my everyday carry will look like. I would take the Nest with me. I usually have a little notepad with me whenever I need to take notes. So this comes with me, my iPad, my keys, and my phone. And that's all I need. This is my desk setup. This is my desk setup. And instead of working off an iPad and you have a laptop, you can easily take that with you as well. Oh, what? Oh, Apple, come on. You'll see that there are a bunch of these little dividers in here that you can easily just take off. They stick on using Velcro, so you could just easily take them off and replace them, or just put them wherever you need them to go. You know, if you have an ever-changing desk setup that you want to put in here, you can go ahead and just change it up whenever you want. And as you can see, the cover can come right off and also can easily go back on. You just place it back just normally and it becomes a cover again. You can put in some SD cards or objects like that. On the top part, I like to keep an air tag just in case this thing were to get lost, I can always track it down. All right, so you're thinking, David, how much does it cost for me to bring my home setup with me wherever I go? Well, it's gonna cost you $109.90. I don't think I've ever seen a product like this in my whole entire life, and I'm telling you, I'm in love with it. And just like with any great innovative product, there are also some cons, so let's move on to that. So while the cover can come off really easily, sometimes it's a little bit tricky to put it back in, especially if you overpack it. So that's one tip that I can recommend to you guys, is to not overpack this. Even on Orbitkey's website, they call it single layer organization. Like I said, I keep an air tag in here, and there's a reason why I don't keep anything else on this section. It's so that way all my items can fit. So sometimes it gets a little bit janky to just put everything back. I have to kind of like move it, and then there you go. Once you get it back on there, it's pretty good. Another con that I'm gonna bring up is the hinge system of the Nest. I wish there was a way to really retain the top cover. That way it doesn't come off so easily, because sometimes I find it just comes off way too easily. And one last con that I'll bring up, the USB-C charger. The tolerances around the charger are not that tight. So when you put in the connection itself, it does come out really easily, so just be on the lookout for that. Alright, so what's my recommendation? I 100% recommend this product for you guys to buy. Not only are you getting something innovative, you're getting something that's going to improve your everyday productivity, allowing you to be able to go from your home office to a coffee shop or to your work office. You can't put a price on that. I'm gonna go ahead and link this product down below. That way you guys know where to pick it up. And also I'm gonna go ahead and link all the products that I featured inside here. That way you can also imitate my setup as well. And also if you have a Nest, go ahead and let me know down in the comments below what you like to keep inside of it. I always like getting tips and tricks from people that have the same product as I do. And guys, thank you so much for stopping by today's video. I really appreciate it. And also, feel free to subscribe down below. That way you can keep up with all my future tech videos. And also guys, follow me on Instagram at Side of Tech, where I post photos of everyday tech items that you'll like. And with all that being said, this is David serving you a little side of tech, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.